Okay, Jovi, these are mine. Now you take the same amount from the pile.
What?
Of the Skittles.
Like, make them the same. Like, take the same amount as Jeff's. So you line yours up.
I'm gonna line mine up.
Yeah.
Like mine.
And make sure you guys have the equal amount of Skittles. Are they equal to Jess's? Okay.
Okay.
Good job.
Now who has more, me or you?
I do.
You do? Okay, so now make them equal. The same amount.
So now give Jess more Skittles. Give Jess Skittles so you guys have the same amount. Since you have more, right?
So you give me a little bit more.
I'm gonna give you 2.
Okay, now we have the same? Okay, good job.
Alright, Joe, we're gonna play store, okay? So if you give me a penny, then I'll give you a Skittle. Okay? Thank you. And here you go. Do you want another one? Alright, so give me a penny. Thank you. You want more? Alright, give me another one. And there's you. Do you want more? Thank you. Do you want the last one? Okay. Now, how many Skittles do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many pennies are in my hand?
5.
Good job.
Joey, do these two glasses have the same amount of orange juice?
Yes.
How about these two glasses? Yes? Okay. Good job. I'm gonna put these in height order, okay? Can you put this one where it goes? Why did it go there?
Because it has to go there.
Okay.
Alright, ready? Do you have a brother or sister?
I have a sister,
What's their name?
Sophia and Angie.
Does Sophia have a brother or sister? No? Why is the sky blue?
But it's supposed to.
Why does it get dark?
Because he has to go to bed.
What's love?
Lay down.
Laying down? Is a tree alive? Yeah. Is the ocean alive? No. Is a car alive?
No.
When is the 4th of July?
It's a car.
What would your superpower be?
Ice.
Ice?
Like Elsa.
Like Elsa.
You're so smart.
You are so smart.
Good job. Jovi. So we're gonna leave. We have to go for like 5 minutes, but if you don't eat this right now, then we'll give you another one when we come back, okay? Good? Alright, we'll be right back.
Sophia! Save me! Here.
Good job, Joe. You want another one?
Yes.
Joe, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Do you like anyone? Who do you like?
Haley.
Have you ever hit your sisters?
Yeah.
Do you ever misbehave? How many times have you seen Frozen?
5.
5? Have you ever met Elsa? Do you have a dog? What's his name?
Polly.
Good job.
Jovi,
Come over here.
what do you say?
You see something weird? What do you see there?
It's an elf.
An elf? What's on the plate?
Scissors.
Whoa. Okay. Now what do you say?
Nothing.
What do I say, Jovi? Does Sarah see the elf?
So,
She rides
She rides away.